Hello, I'm Andy Chang, a Cytiva retail service leader. A location in my area, an American pharmaceutical business with nearly 200 Cytiva instruments, provides essential cell therapies to patients with cancer. To avoid a gap in delivery of their product, it is essential that they receive a repair visit from a field engineer like him and Jimenez quickly. After introducing them to the Cytiva new web tool called My Equipment, they were so impressed by its remarkable ability to speed up their repair turnaround time and elevated my performance rating to exceptional and Kevin's to be nothing short of perfect. To learn how My Equipment catapulted our customer satisfaction rating, click below. Thank you.